Do you think you have a worn-out sun deck? Are you worried it is getting dangerous to use it? Here are 7 signs you need a new deck. Sign 1. Leaks and water ingress. If your deck is waterproof, eventually the impermeable membrane gets worn out by the elements and needs replacement. Water will start entering your living space and can cause mold, mildew, and rot. Sign 2. Spongy or soft spots. A deck that feels like a trampoline isn't just worn out, it could be close to collapse. Don't wait any longer to get your substrate checked for rot. Sign 3. The deck is shaky or unstable. Stay off your deck if it feels like you are walking on a balance beam or a creaky ladder. This means your posts and joists are worn out. Sign 4. Faded finish. We all know even wood decks that get restained regularly eventually fade and wear out. Sign 5. Your deck hurts your home's curb appeal. Don't ruin the overall beauty of your home with a deck that needs replacement. Sign 6. Your deck is from the last century. Father Time catches everyone, even your deck. If your deck isn't composite and was built before Y2K, it likely needs an update. Sign 7. You have outgrown your deck. A growing family, retirement, or a different lifestyle might mean your deck is not meeting your needs. Don't delay, or fixing your deck will just become more expensive and difficult. Call Aspen today for a free quote at 778-255-4687.